Two email marketing giants, one showdown. Which one really delivers? On the left, we have ActiveCampaign, an automation powerhouse for scaling businesses. And on the right, Klaviyo, the e-commerce champion packed with advanced analytics. Let's skip the hype and get to what really matters. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you.
All right, before we jump in, here's a quick mind map of what we'll compare. Automation, AI and personalization, reporting, e-commerce features, integrations, email deliverability, pricing, and usability. Got it? Good. Let's roll. First up, automation. Now, ActiveCampaign, honestly, it's famous for this. You get a super robust automation builder that lets you design these complex, multi-channel workflows. Need to fire off an SMS, trigger an email, then update your CRM? All in one flow? Boom, ActiveCampaign's got you. Just a heads up, the starter plan does have a few limits. And yeah, there's definitely a bit of a learning curve if you want to push the boundaries. Now, Klaviyo, easier setup for e-commerce basics, like abandoned carts or post-purchase emails. But if you're dreaming about ultra-complex B2B sequences or full-on sales automation, nope, that's not Klaviyo's jam. So for sheer automating power, ActiveCampaign totally wins this round. Next, AI and personalization. ActiveCampaign pulls out some neat tricks, generative AI for email copywriting, automations, even campaign building. And if you want your email in a dozen languages, they've got you. But when it comes to knowing your audience's behavior, it's kind of basic compared to Klaviyo. Klaviyo just goes all in. AI copy assistant, deep predictive analytics like how much someone might spend, when they'll buy next, if they'll bounce, real-time stuff. And you get send time optimization, which is super helpful. Basically, if you want slick, e-commerce powered personalization, Klaviyo takes the crown here. All right, now let's talk reporting and analytics. ActiveCampaign. You get solid campaign and automation stats. And with the higher tiers, there's custom reporting. That's nice. But honestly, if you're running a shop and want to deep dive into what products are clicking or which segment's hot, you'll wish it went deeper. Klaviyo, though, it's like they built their analytics dashboard just for retailers. Product tracking, customer journey insights, it's granular and kind of impressive. Though if you're not selling stuff, it's probably a bit overkill. Winner for e-commerce analytics, Klaviyo. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that Klaviyo handles email and SMS for over 100,000 e-commerce brands? While ActiveCampaign powers automation for over 180,000 businesses? Wild, right? That's legit reach on both sides. Now, about e-commerce focus. ActiveCampaign does offer shop integrations, but only if you're up on the Plus plan and above. And it's not really cut out for folks selling a bunch of products, physical or digital. Klaviyo? This is literally what they live for. Dynamic forms, product recommendations, SMS, emails, all wrapped into slick templates. If you want tools tailored for stores, Klaviyo nails it. It is focused mostly on retail, so yeah, if you're not in e-commerce, it could be limiting. But if you are, Klaviyo's the obvious winner. Let's shift gears to integrations and ecosystem. ActiveCampaign has a giant directory of plugins, and here's something cool. A free migration service if you're switching from elsewhere. Some features do cost extra and are unlocked only on higher tiers, which is a bit meh. Klaviyo offers about 300 integrations, and their form/templates are kind of gorgeous, honestly. But big picture, ActiveCampaign still wins this round for sheer variety and flexibility. Okay, email deliverability. This is sneaky important. Want your emails to actually reach inboxes? ActiveCampaign is the boss here. Independent testers rate them above 94%. Klaviyo didn't even make the top 15 deliverability platforms, which stings if you're serious about reach. So, no question, deliverability champion is ActiveCampaign. Let's chat pricing and plans. ActiveCampaign offers competitive prices and throws in free migration, but no free plan. And if you want those e-commerce goodies, you gotta bump up to Plus or higher, which, let's be real, is a wallet hit for new or smaller businesses. Klaviyo's got a free plan though, just know it's pretty bare bones, and overall it's priced to make life easy for new shops. The catch? That free plan starts feeling cramped super fast as you grow. Klaviyo's the more affordable pick for beginners. Last up, Usability. ActiveCampaign is super powerful, but let's be honest, if you're a newbie, you might spend hours figuring out the advanced stuff, not the most beginner-friendly. Klaviyo's editor is, incredibly user-friendly. Their templates are polished, onboarding's a breeze. Sure, not as many template choices, but the learning curve is way less steep. Klaviyo wins the ease of use battle. Let's look at the radar chart. ActiveCampaign is totally ahead in automation, integrations, and deliverability, while Klaviyo dominates in e-commerce features, reporting, and AI analytics. Kind of fascinating how each one's strengths line up with different business needs. All right, so what's the verdict? If you want those multi-channel mega automations, tight deliverability, and you need to scale up your sales process, ActiveCampaign is the move, hands down. But if you're running a shop, want smooth email and SMS, deep customer insights, and all the product-powered smarts, Klaviyo is going to be your best friend. It's like scale with automation or sell with shop tools. Pick what feels right for your business. If you found this breakdown useful, do yourself a favor and bookmark it for your next marketing decision. And hey, stick around. We've got more deep dive battles on the way.